It's your boy, Mr. Invader C35, Mr. 860.
Red Rust-Oleum, nigga. Red Rust-Oleum, nigga. I think I cooked. But even if I didn't cook, did editor me cook? Did you cook, nigga? Yeah, I cooked, nigga.
He goes, do you expect Jeffrey Epstein to sound cool?
Yeah. Nigga, what?
Sorry.
It's pure white.
Dude, I probably reflect off the camera with that fucking bright ass light. You do.
Look at Taco Bell.
I get Taco Bell? You know I'm a broke bitch. I love Taco Bell.
Get your W.
All right. Get that W. He's talking about some try. Hey, man.
Names, I close my eyes just for a second. I wake up, I feel the same. Fuck the doctors, fuck the preacher. My head is a
block your face. Oh my God. God damn, he sent his ass.
I guess the mall is my closet. My ad look out of talking and the haters got them hauling. At the end,
you never need help.
Fucking exploded.
How does that look, camera?
That's a big hole.
That's a big hole.
That is a big hole.
That's what she said.
I need to take that photo.